This initial solution will show you how to open encrypted email in Yahoo. Reading encrypted emails with mail envelope is fairly simple. Step 1. Log into your Yahoo Mail account. Step 2. Click on the encrypted email from your inbox. Step 3. In the middle of the email message, click on Show Message. Now, you will be asked to put in your key password here. Step 4. In the pop-up window below, type in your key password, then click on OK. If successful, that encrypted PGP message you saw earlier will be decrypted to the actual email content. So this is how you will be able to open an encrypted email in Yahoo Mail. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.